welcome back to my channel. Switching up the background a little bit, and I'm trying a new tripod. Hopefully this one works better than my other one. I always have troubles with my other one. So yeah, today's video is very exciting for me. It's very long overdue because I'm going to go through all of my makeup, kind of declutter everything, get rid of stuff that I don't use anymore or products that I've had for literally years. So yeah, if you aren't already, be sure you subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday. So let's get into decluttering. So I need to show y'all what we are decluttering, okay? So I have this box of drawers. There's 3 drawers, and I usually keep this in my closet. I just brought it out here, that way I'm not in a tight space trying to record a video and declutter at the same time. So these drawers have all kinds of stuff in them, nail polish stuff, hair stuff, and makeup stuff. I think I want to make this all makeup and skincare because there's not a lot of hair products that I use. Another day I want to do a bathroom declutter, and maybe I'll have to put some hair stuff back in these drawers. So yeah, all 3 of these drawers are full. I think just this bottom drawer though, you can't see it, but just the bottom drawer is full of makeup, and then I have this entire bag full of makeup products that I have to put in that drawer. I want to put in those drawers. This whole grocery bag is full of makeup. So yeah, it's going to be really interesting to see all the makeup that I have. Some of these products I've literally had for years, so I'm excited to finally go through and get
throw them away.
I think it would be easiest if I went ahead and removed everything that's in these drawers, and I can show y'all what I have in there. So first, I have this drawer that was kind of my nail polish drawer. I don't really have much in there, but some deodorant that needs to be thrown away. Second drawer, this is all of my nail polish, so that's obviously not even in the right drawer. And then this, I guess, is all my hair stuff. I have a whole thing of bobby pins, some headbands, a little miniature hair dryer. Does anyone remember these headbands? These used to be so popular. Well, at least for me and my sister. We used to fight over these, and we needed them in literally every single color. All right, and this bottom drawer is very, very messy. This is like makeup, some hair stuff. Like, it's literally not even organized. There's some more nail polish, battery trash. Like, literally, I've needed to go through this for so long. So I'm glad that I'm finally doing this. I think what would be easiest for me is to go ahead and go through everything. Like, I have all these dirty brushes and a ton of foundations. Like, literally, these used to be my favorite drugstore foundations that I really want to try again, but I've had them for so long, so I feel like I just need to throw them all away, honestly. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and organize everything by, like, nails, hair, makeup palettes, eyelashes, all the things, and kind of throw things away as I go, like put them in a trash pile as I go. That way it's easier. That way it's easiest for me. I've been looking for this color, oh my gosh. That way it's easiest for me to declutter everything, and then we can talk about everything that I've decided to keep. So here's where we're at right now. This is everything I'm going to keep. Obviously, I found a lot of tampons and change. That's funny. But basically, I don't have it very organized right now, but I kind of know what I'm working with. So that's like my extra stuff, eyelashes, skincare, palettes, eyeshadow, and face, brushes. These foundations, I'm glad I'm organizing. I'm glad I'm finally decluttering because I bought these foundations and powders pretty recently and this eyebrow thing, and I forgot I had it. So I'm really glad that I'm going through all this. This is a mask that I got in one of my Ipsy bags, and then I also found another face mask that someone gave me not too long ago. So then I have my brushes. I completely forgot that I had the James Charles palette, and literally this whole thing, oh God, I can't even reach it. I forgot I had this whole thing of brushes that I barely even use. I've used a couple times. Everything's still literally in the wrappers, and they're like great brushes, and I spent so much money on the palette and this, so a little upset at myself with that, but that's why we're decluttering. This is all my lip products. I don't know why I put these brushes in there when those are my brushes, but I have all these lip products, and I'm not sure, I mean, obviously I know you're not supposed to use lipsticks after a really long time, but I don't think any of these are super old. I know this one looks super old, but it's just really dirty. So y'all let me know if y'all throw away lipsticks after a little bit like you do like mascara and foundations. But I found some more setting sprays and primers. I haven't gone through my current makeup bag yet, but this is all like my everyday products that I typically always wear, and this is everything that I'm throwing away. A lot of it was just trash, James Charles box. Really, this is all I'm throwing away so far. Just some like eyeliner and a lot of foundations. I honestly forgot I had all these foundations, but I know that I've had these for a really long time, so it's just about time to get rid of them because I really don't remember how long I've had them for. I have no idea how I want to organize this. I'd love to have like a skincare plus like makeup remover drawer and then like a palette drawer or something. Like I'd love for this whole thing to be all makeup, but then I have to remember that I have the nail polish and the hair stuff behind me. So I'm not really sure what I want to do. This is how I have everything organized. I have a feeling I'm going to regret it because I don't have anywhere for my nails and hair products, but everything in here is lipsticks, all my brushes. I'm just too lazy to put those in there. And then like my extra stuff like primers, eyelashes, a mirror, things like that. This drawer is all of my makeup products like eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, all the things, face powders, and then in here is all skincare and makeup remover and tape. I used to do tape all the time to do eyeshadow, and then now this has to go in that drawer because that's skincare. But now I'm kind of going through my everyday makeup bag. If you didn't know, my makeup bag says Let's Make Up. I think it's super cute. But now I'm trying to go through and decide what I want to keep in this bag. I did throw a couple things away, but I'm in a tough situation right now because I never know what product I want to use. If I want to use like a foundation or a BB cream or a CC cream, and then same with primers. I always use the same concealer, and I never know which highlight to use or blush. So yeah, I guess my makeup bag is still gonna be super full, but these are typically all the products I use in case y'all were wondering. not too long later and everything is done. I found this little bracelet. It says breathe in. I'm pretty sure my grandma got it for me a long time ago, and it's not, there we go. It says breathe in. It's kind of like those Alex and Ani bracelets. I'm not sure if this is, but super cute, even though I'm not like a huge silver jewelry person. I think it's really cute. Anyway, I am finally all done, so I figured I could show y'all the finished product. In this top drawer, like I said, is my skincare stuff that I'm going to be using every day. I may end up taking it out and putting it under the bathroom sink. Hopefully I won't, because I don't wear makeup every single day, but all my skincare stuff is down there. I also put the small little hair dryer and little bobby pins and just a bunch of extra stuff in there. In this second drawer, I put my big bag of nail polish just sitting there, and the rest is just all my eyeshadow and face palettes, mainly eyeshadow. And then I have this spray. It's apparently supposed to make your nail polish dry faster. I'm not really sure how well it works, but I just kept it just in case because I do use it sometimes. So there's eyeshadow palettes and also a bunch of face palettes. This is the palette that I use all the time for my face, but I also found this e.l.f. bronzing palette, and I used to use this all the time and I loved it, so I need to start reusing that. And then in this third drawer is all my extra stuff, like eyelashes, the big thing of brushes, my face mask and mirror, my primers and extra foundation. They're all stacked up right there. And then I have the setting sprays and all of my lipsticks, and that's my big bag of trash. These are the vampire teeth that I don't know why they were in that drawer, but I'm gonna put those with the Halloween stuff. Then I just found an extra bandana. This is stuff that I'm actually gonna put in my bathroom drawers because I use scrunchies every single day, so I'm glad I found more. This will also go under my sink. This is dry shampoo. I don't think I like this, but I wanna try it again just to be sure I don't like it. This little Ipsy bag has our travel stuff because we recently went to Oak Island. I think that's my latest vlog, and it just has some extra things that I took with us. This is actually trash, but I want to keep it just so I can write it down really quick and remember that I really like this. And then this is just my everyday makeup bag. It's very, very full, so hopefully I can keep it organized so it actually shuts, and this is gonna go underneath my sink. I feel like this video is going to be really short, but I'm glad I finally sat down and decluttered everything. I don't know if I mentioned this, but these drawers will go back in my closet, and then my makeup bag and this little thing will go back under my sink. Maybe soon I will declutter my bathroom because underneath my sink, it's a mess, okay? It's not as messy since I took all of my makeup out from underneath my sink, but that definitely needs to be decluttered as well. I'm glad I was able to fit my nail polish and some of the hair things that I had back in these drawers, and I'm pretty impressed that I have this bag full of trash now. I know a lot of people like declutter videos, so I will link my most recent one down below. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so thanks for watching.